Wildfire is a wooden roller coaster built by RMC. It was rated 10 out of 10 by Coaster Studios, and this is a bloody amazing ride. It's got 3 inversions, max speed of 115 kilometers per hour, and it's more than 1.2 kilometers long. Well, enough talking about it, let's go ride it. This is gonna be so awesome! The view is so awesome from up here. Just waiting, waiting, waiting. And here we go. No, not yet. No, not yet. But no! Woo-hoo-hoo! That is an awesome ride. Whew. That ride is so much fun, but now I need to give it a rest because I'm starting to get queasy. I'm not gonna tell you how many times I rode Wildfire today. The view from the top of Wildfire is completely amazing. You can see for miles and miles and miles and miles. And miles. Today the waiting time was between nothing and a couple of minutes. Let's have a look at the track as well. Maybe we can get some lovely views of people screaming. The theming is really good at Wildfire. The Dolphin Express kiddie coaster is closed. Good. Otherwise I'd have to ride it and humiliate myself. Go home, palm tree. You're drunk. This is Sweden. I'm just trying to capture some people taking selfies here. Always a fun hobby, right? I used to love Kolmården even before Wildfire was built. And now I have one more reason to come here. And if you couldn't tell, I'm a little bit of a roller coaster geek. Just a little bit. Well, that's about it for today. So like and subscribe, but most importantly, have a great day. Do you want to ride again? I'm definitely gonna ride once more, or twice, or maybe a couple more.